but it is what it is. No,
na?
it's sex. It's great and it's good.
How do you rate it as a workout?
Basically, बेइज्जती करानी है मेरी, है ना? Guest को बुला के उनकी बेइज्जती कराओ. I looked at myself in the mirror. I was like, "Who is this sexy thing?" You know, I
Yeah.
found myself so
Go,
sexy.
Tahira.
I truly, I did my entire photo shoot. अकेले बैठ के सेल्फियाँ खींच रही थी मैं अपनी, you know.
Pintola Peanut Butter presents Shape of You. Fit is Fab. Powered by SoFit on Filmy Mirchi.
Hello, namaskar, adab, and welcome to Pintola Peanut Butter presents Shape of You, powered by SoFit on Filmy Mirchi. इस शो पर हम डिस्कस करते हैं द शेप ऑफ आवर गेस्ट फ्रॉम ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स. ना सिर्फ फिजिकल शेप के बारे में बल्कि मेंटल शेप, इमोशनल वेलबींग और न्यूट्रिशन की भी हम बात करते हैं. आज मेरे शो पे हैं एक डायरेक्टर, ऑथर और एक सोशल मीडिया स्टार. प्लीज वेलकम माय फ्रेंड एंड वन ऑफ द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एंड मोस्ट इंस्पायरिंग वुमेन दैट आई नो, ताहिरा कश्यप खुराना.
अपने आप के लिए तालियां मार रही हूँ.
है ना, मैं भी मानती हूँ.
I'm my biggest cheerleader. That's
Of
how it
course
should be,
you have
right?
to be. We have to be our own cheerleaders. मैं आपको स्टॉक कर रही हूँ और मैं देख रही हूँ आपके वर्कआउट वीडियोस. आप काफी मतलब
मैं खा भी बहुत रही हूँ, इसलिए कहीं कुछ गुम नहीं रहा है.
नहीं जा
But
रहा है.
that's why I work out, so I can eat, you know, and I
Yeah.
require that kind of energy for my day-to-day routine. यार, I've
दो
realized
बच्चे हैं.
no, but I also realize that every body is different.
Of course.
And I struggled for the longest time trying to fit into a certain kind of a
Mold.
body shape, which is celebrated across not just our country but the world.
Yeah.
And there was so much of a disconnect, and you were unhappy. But later on in life, I realized that being fit, like you said in your introduction, how wholesome it needs to be.
Of course.
That wholesome thing ना मुझे बहुत देर बाद समझ आई, पर आ गई.
आपकी जो लाइफस्टाइल है, obviously it's pretty hectic because you also have an actor husband.
Yeah.
तो
Who is an introvert, so बहुत easy हो जाता काम मेरे लिए.
Ayushman's an introvert?
कहाँ, he doesn't meet anybody
That's true.
socially.
Pretty much like me actually.
Yeah, he's
We go
very-
back into our shell.
Yeah.
तो पैंडेमिक के टाइम में बहुत लोगों ने बहुत सारे वोकेशंस को टेकअप किया. ओके, आपने भी कुछ अलग किया. आपने तो फिल्म भी डायरेक्ट की, फील्स लाइक इश्क.
Yeah.
तो उसके साथ साथ आई थिंक बहुत लोगों ने फिटनेस की और अपनी जर्नी शुरू की.
Right.
Did you also have something like that happen in your life?
बहुत कुछ हो रहा था आसपास, and I really found comfort in my food that I used to make. तो मेरे 2 से 4 से 5 से 6 किलो बढ़ते गए, and then post pandemic is now I'm trying to beat that weight.
जब हम लोग हेल्थ और फिटनेस के बारे में बात करते हैं, मैं इस बात पे ज़्यादा जोर दूंगी कि ब्रेकफास्ट बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है.
Right.
So what is your no compromise breakfast? How do you start your day?
So my day starts with soaked nuts, sesame seeds, and few walnuts and few almonds. And so this is the first thing that I break my
Protein.
Yeah, and then heavy duty ho jata hai kaam, because my
Paratha.
my house is like
Punjabi.
paranthas, like Monday aloo parantha, gobi parantha, then Wednesday will be methi parantha, then and then it's dal ka parantha, and then it's just till about, and if it's winter then it becomes mooli ka parantha. And but you know, it's not unhealthy, because for
It's
kids
not, it's
for
not.
kids I really load it up with
wholesome.
lot of ghee, and which is healthy. I cook it in sesame oil or ghee, and for myself I make it gluten free because I'm gluten intolerant. In big amounts, like small gluten I can tolerate. So then I try to make the entire thing healthy, but this is what I've grown up with. And I try to be very fancy, and I started having guacamole and all that, but मेरा पेट ही नहीं भरता था, and I would just, it's not something I've grown up with. It's not a part of my
Exactly.
culture.
Exactly.
And you know, I think it's very important to go back to your roots, because वही पचता है.
तो सभी जानते हैं आयुष्मान आपके पति हैं. लेकिन ये आपकी पहचान नहीं है. आप राइटर भी हैं, डायरेक्टर भी हैं, आप फुल टाइम मॉम भी हैं. तो आपको कभी ऐसे लगता है कि you know, being married to a celebrity or an actor puts that added pressure on you?
No, I think in my 20s it certainly did, and then took me down, and now ghanta.
Love it.
Like really, I would love to turn up well for an event or any place. Like I would love to dress well, but I don't have any standards to match. Like I don't have any pressure.
So, Tahira, I love the way you write and you elucidate in your books. आपने अभी हाल ही में अपने बुक में the सिंस ऑफ बीइंग अ मदर, उसमें बहुत ही मैटर ऑफ फैक्टली सेक्स के बारे में बोला और लिखा। तो मतलब ये क्या है? मतलब आई लव दिस नॉन प्रूड बिहेवियर, यू नो, आई थिंक इट्स सच अ वंडरफुल क्वालिटी।
But it is what it is. No,
na?
it's sex. It's great and it's good.
How do you rate it as a workout?
Even a quickie in our case, it costs a lot of calories. So
वंडरफुल इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर अस। तो आयुष्मान जो है काफी अभी हॉट लग रहे हैं, एंड ही इज, यू नो, बॉडी वॉडी बनाई है उन्होंने, मैंने देखा हाल ही में। तो कौन सी पिक्चर में वो आपको सबसे ज्यादा सेक्सी लगे हैं?
तो आई थिंक दुनिया को तो बहुत सेक्सी लगे हैं चंडीगढ़ करे आशिकी में।
हाँ, मुझे
और अगर मैं पर्सनली ना जानती होती और ना रह रही होती उस यू नो प्रोटीन ईटिंग एंड एग ईटिंग इंसान के साथ, तो मैं भी ये बोल सकती थी। बिफोर आई कुड स्ट्राइक अ कॉन्वर्सेशन इट वाज जस्ट अबाउट इसमें कितना प्रोटीन है, उसमें बेचारा उसी में रह गया था। तो आई डिडंट फाइंड दैट यू नो वेरी कंड्यूसिव for a company, and he was staying in a bubble in his hotel. तो मैंने कहा ये सही है, आके शक्ल दिखा जाओ कितने हॉट हो, मैं भी थोड़े फूल्स ले लूँ यहाँ वहाँ, and then वापस जाओ, क्योंकि उसके बाद आप क्योंकि only concerned about you know working out, because he was working out 4 to 5 hours eating, so then
eating
I
protein
don't
also makes you very gassy.
वो तो
You
नहीं
don't want
हुआ
to be-
मेरे साथ, because I was not living in the
पंजाबी
same
बनता है आयुष्मान।
but उसने मूवी में तो ऐसे दिखाया था full, the opening scene was that
Yeah.
only.
ताहिरा, टेल मी व्हाट इज द पॉइंट, बिकॉज द शो इज शेप ऑफ यू। वो वक्त या वो टाइम कौन सा था जब आपने रियलाइज किया कि यार बीइंग फिट इज फैब?
So there were two places in my life, two landmarks जो मुझे याद हैं कि जब मुझे fit और fab होना था. One, when I was about to get married, like any other girl, you have this dream of fitting into this much lehenga and show your abs, and which is amazing. Those people who can pull it off. For me, it was very difficult. I was really defying my build, my nature, my size, my type, everything I was defying, and I did reach a certain size.
Really?
Fit and fab में बहुत हो गई थी. I was a size 6 or an 8 or
Oh.
something. Yeah, it was yeah, but I was fit, or you can say I was fab, but I wasn't fit because mentally it had taken a toll on me. I was depriving myself of food. I used to work out about like 4 hours a day and a 12-kilometer run together in one day. So this is what I did, and it continued for a couple of years, ended me having IBS and all of
Ore
that. So
baapre.
all
I
this
met
as
you
a-
during that
yeah,
phase.
you met me during that phase. But my body was fighting something else inside, which is
Yeah.
why so much of
Exactly.
you know, it was rejecting so much. But then after that, at the age of in 2016 in November, I realized what fit and fab in a wholesome way means. And that's when I was introduced to the practice of Nichiren's Buddhism, which I told you. And that was something, it defined, transformed, evolved my life at multiple levels. And I'm just so grateful for that. So, yeah.
I think it also comes from the security you guys create for yourself, you know,
Right.
when you went through a difficult health phase.
Right.
तो वो phase कैसा रहा आपके लिए? आपने किया कैसे? You came out of, I mean, you fought cancer, and you came out victorious, touch wood.
No, I think everybody wants to eventually overcome the hardship, but there's no denying that जब तक आप इंसान हो आपकी लाइफ में कुछ ना कुछ हार्डशिप तो आती रहेगी. This is where your mental health comes into play, your spiritual health, your mental health. For me, it was my practice of chanting. I practiced Nichiren's Buddhism, and I'm just so glad I was going strong in the practice, because when this happened, मेरा mindset ये था कि यार this is like any other challenge.
I remember going through chemo, and you shaved your head and refused to wear a wig. You did stuff that was very unconventional. Where did you gain that strength from?
During my chemotherapy, मुझे लगा था कि शायद मैं sustain कर लूँगी. So 8 sessions down, I still had my hair, but then it started thinning out and shedding. And then one day, and I actually remember discussing it with my husband, should I sort of shave? Because I had a wig ready, you know, wig was. So Sonali की photograph आई थी, वो airport पे उतरी थी, and she had this bald look, and she had this lovely kajal, and she had these hoops, and then she just stepped out of the airport and she had a smile on her face. And this is, I was 34, 33, 34 when I saw that, and तो मुझे लगा, wow, what a woman. ये नहीं पता, cut to 6 months down the line, I would be in the same position. कहीं रह गई थी बात, you know, we can look like that, we can look beautiful, and we can be look in whatever life throws at us. We just need to appreciate and make something valuable out of it. तो जब ऐसा हो रहा था, बहुत बड़ी विग थी मेरे पास, तो मुझे लगा कि यार विग पहन के भी मुझे कुछ खुशी नहीं मिल रही थी. I was not happy. Then I asked Ayushman कि मैं शेव कर लूँ. He was like, are you sure will you be okay with? He just was concerned about my happiness. And then वो एक दिन शूट पे था, बच्चे स्कूल गए हुए थे, घर पे कोई नहीं था, और मैंने अपने हेयर स्टाइल को बुला लिया. मैंने कहा तू उस्तरा लेके आना. वो तो बेचारा अपना ब्लो ड्रायर लेके आया था. मैंने कहा साइड पे रखा, इसकी जरूरत नहीं है. Get your blade and उस्तरा. And the moment he shaved my head off, I looked at myself in the mirror. I was like, who is this sexy thing? You know, I found myself so
Go,
sexy.
Tahira.
I truly, I did my entire photo shoot अकेले बैठ के सेल्फियाँ खींच रही थी मैं अपनी, you know.
Okay, now let's talk about, while we talked about some very heavy duty stuff.
Yeah.
So, तुम्हारा fitness का पहला कदम क्या था to get back into shape,
Right.
you know, after pregnancy?
Again, I know I'm harping on a lot on, and like many of your guests on the show, like you said, you speak about mental health, but you know, I was, even after having my 2 kids, I was very obsessed about getting to a certain size, and I did. But again, defying a lot of things, defying my truest nature, or defying my body type, that I did not allow. So for me to reach a certain size and a certain, it's almost like starving, which is not cool, you know. And then when you eat clean, then there is a certain shape that I'm very happy with how I'm looking in every phase of my life now.
Exactly.
But I took to, after my first child, I took to aerobics, and I did a lot of stepper exercises, and I did a lot of functional training. I used to run a lot, and yeah, that's how I try to keep myself physically fit. Mentally fit तो मैं थोड़ी देर बाद ही हुई थी.
Because you're such an honest person, I want to play this cheeky game with you.
Okay.
So अभी आप यहाँ पे देख के बोले हमें कि इसको कैसे pronounce करते हैं.
Basically बेइज्जती करानी है मेरी, है ना? Guest को बुला के उनकी बेइज्जती कराओ. I don't know. I'm not very sure. Worcestershire sauce. What is it?
गलत जवाब. इनको हैम्पर फिर भी मिलेगा.
क्या है बता तो दो. Worcestershire.
बहुत लंबा चौड़ा सा है, but it's very very simple.
What is it?
बहुत सारी चीजें silent है इसमें.
अच्छा.
हाँ, it's Worcester sauce.
This is so sophisticated.
It's Worcester sauce.
Worcester sauce. Okay, fine.
अच्छा, अब बहुत कर ली हमने फिटनेस की बातें. अब फिटनेस को दर्शाते भी हैं.
जी जी.
है ना? चलते हैं हमारे स्टूडियो में. It's called the Fit is Fab Studio.
Awesome.
Enough of being couch potatoes.
Let's go.
Okay, ताहिरा, हम आ गए हैं Fit is Fab Studio में, और अब मैं स्पिन करने वाली हूँ the फिल्मी मिर्ची wheel. तो जहाँ पे ये रुक जाएगा, वो चैलेंज आपको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है?
Difficult
All
मत
the
करना है.
best. देखते हैं क्या चैलेंज है. All the best. We have to do as many squats as possible, but there is a twist. With every squat, we have to confess to cheating on one of our fitness routines in a sentence that starts with, "Don't judge me, but."
Okay.
Okay, don't judge me, but but I have cheated. Cheated on Mondays also. मैंने Monday binge भी किया है.
सही. Don't judge me, but I've had protein shake and food also. मतलब बंदा एक ही चीज करता है ना एक ही बारे में. तो मैंने प्रोटीन शेक को छाछ बना लिया. और साथ में खाना भी खा लिया.
वाह. Don't judge me, but I have been lazy on holidays and not worked out.
Listen, I'm not playing this game. मैं मतलब on a regular day I am like this and she is like on a holiday. Who works out on a holiday? मैं अपने क्या बताऊँ? Don't judge me, but gym जाके मैं 10 मिनट करके भी आ चुकी हूँ वापस। मैं बहुत सारी करती हूँ, डोंट जज मी, बट ट्रेडमिल की जगह मैं बैठे बैठे साइकिलिंग।
बस डोंट जज मी, पीरियड। डोंट जज अस। But this was so much fun, yeah, Tyra. Thank you so much for coming here, and we've got a little something for you. Yeah, all the peanut butter that you want to have. Bastion कभी गई नहीं हो तो cookies दे दिए मैंने.
है ना? I'll go with you.
हाँ.
Take me
Let's
some.
dreams.
Thank you.
Enjoy this.
Thank you. Lots of love.
Hi guys, hope you're enjoying my show, and do remember to comment on this episode, and if you never want to miss an update, do subscribe to Filmy Mirchi and hit the bell icon. और हाँ, ये show जो है वो रेडियो पर भी आता है on these frequencies. And if you wish to enhance the shape of you, be sure to download the Simple Soulful app by Shilpa Shetty from the download link in the description below. It's available on Android and iOS. तब तक के लिए स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो, adios.